So the truth is that Nigeria is being inclined when it comes to AI. You know, some people just learn how to use ChatGPT and some other AI tool that can help you edit and all, and you feel that you know AI. Bro, that is just like the primary stage of it. Have you heard about automation? Have you heard about other things that AI can literally do for you? AI can literally print money, not just in automations, but also in trading. AI can print you thousands of dollars. So if you are still thinking that using ChatGPT, using VO3, and using other AI tools to create videos and posts or create images and posts, you think that is just AI, then you are actually sleeping, bro. You are sleeping. Because in 2025, you have to think beyond what you are just seeing. Think deep and automate your system. People make money every day without even going to work, without even thinking of what to do. They sleep and wake up with money printed in their account just because they automate all their system. And that's what you're going to be learning in Capex Academy, and so many other things that you're going to be learning also. So make sure you are active and make sure you are ready, because there's a lot of money to be made.